are in the Kakerdaja bog. The nature is extremely beautiful because it's very rare over here. Here, this water, if you want, you can even taste it, you can drink it, but the strange thing is as it's without the mineral salts, it won't take away your thirst. If you want to, you can go to swim and it will leave a really soft skin, but at the moment it's autumn, almost winter, so it will be very cold, but still, it's so beautiful. Here we are, finally, the Jägala Waterfall. It's the biggest one of Estonia, and at the same time it's even the biggest one of the Baltic countries. It's 8 meters high, can be large, up to 70 meters when the season is very full of water. At the moment it's, I think, 20 meters, but it's always extremely beautiful as everything in Estonia. So, the Jägala Waterfall.
I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.